Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 2014 ASUS ROG Press Conference. To open today's event, please give a warm welcome to the keynote speaker, ASUS Chairman, Mr. Johnny Shi.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Taiwan. Being here with all of you is something I look forward to every year at Computex. I know we share a passion for winning and driving our machine performance to the extreme. In search of incredible is our attitude for everything we create for you. And we are thrilled to have you join us as we persist on this journey for the ultimate power and beauty. Performance is what we breathe, we live and breathe for. And aesthetics is about creating a sense of pride and belonging, way beyond just the use of lights and colors. We take it upon ourselves to transpire your desires and imagination into a myriad of products that are both powerful and beautiful, to deliver the most epic gaming experience. This time, we aim to break all the boundaries that confines hardcore gaming into any designated space. So, are you ready to meet our entire line of incredible? Yes! Not so fast. First, please allow me to introduce our dear friend from Intel, Lisa Graff, who share the same vision and passion.
I'm very happy to be here. I love the ASUS tagline, "In Search of Incredible." How well that describes the innovation and the partnership that ASUS and Intel have shared for many, many, many years. So I'm very excited to hear all about the new products coming. But to give you a sense, from Intel's perspective, we are investing even more in our products to go into this fantastic growth area of PC gaming. PC gaming continues to grow around the world with more and more people getting into it and exciting competitions and using products like the ones you're going to see here from ASUS. So let me just tell you a little bit about what Intel's doing to help drive that kind of epic performance that Johnny talked about. We've increased our investment in PC gaming focused microprocessors and other products. For example, we now have 4 products coming out that are increasing capabilities and performance from the lowest end to the highest end. In the second half of this year, we'll have the first 8-core Extreme Edition microprocessors coming out. To go down to the other end, that was the highest and the lowest end, we're going to now unclock our Pentium processors. So we'll have an unlocked version with our Pentium Anniversary Edition. We'll be bringing Broadwell, Intel's 5th generation core that fits beautifully into the new 9 series motherboards that you're about to hear about. We'll be bringing those Broadwell 5th gen core into unlocked versions for PC gaming. And then the product we're most excited about, our new product codenamed Devil's Canyon, 4th generation core microprocessor that again you'll hear more about a little bit later. 4 great new products coming all very soon. So with that, again, I'm very excited about our partnership and the great innovation that we've done together. And I look forward to hearing more about all the new products ASUS is doing. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lisa. Let's welcome ASUS Corporate Vice President Zhou Xian to unveil ASUS ROG products.
Thank you, Lisa. Good morning, everyone. Pretty soon will be good afternoon. My name is Joe. I'm so proud to be here. Every year, we introduce the new ROG product to you on stage. And of course, we will do the same thing to you this year. We are not just focused on the computing power, but this time we also think about the portability. So in next sections, I will introduce new ultimate gaming box to you. Now the video. Let me introduce the G20 to you first. The G20 just won the Computex, the best choice of the year, the Gold Award. Yeah, it's pretty tough. What makes it so special? The first, because it's unique. We believe that every gamer deserves differently. So the G20 has the 8 million light options to match every gamer's spirit. Okay, so not a single G20 will be the same. First, it's unique. And second, it's so powerful. The machine runs with Intel Core i7 processors, NVIDIA GTX 780 graphics, with such a soul power engine inside. The size is only 12.5 liters. Then you will think about, what about thermal? So we have a special design for thermal. The airflow tunnel design that will cool your system down in a different way. Not just the power, not just the speed, it's also very, oh, I'm sorry. It's cool and quiet. It's only 25 dB when it's power down mode. Okay, that means you can download your games, you can download your file in a very quiet condition. And also to monitor your system performance, we have a new ASUS software that has a new gaming UI design. So we just use the gamer's way to tell you about the performance. What about the GR8? We call it it's a console PC. Why is a console PC? We think gaming should be anywhere, from your living room to your bedroom, or to your friend's house, or to a LAN party. So we designed a machine. The machine, we didn't just look at the performance. We designed the machine from the outside first. You look at the Maya patent, okay? It's so beautiful. And think about the size, only 2.5 liter. 2.5 liter is also round using Intel's Core i7, also using the NVIDIA graphics 550 Ti. But not just that. It also has tons of features inside. For example, like the Supreme FX audio, the bass audio, the Intel LAN is the fastest and the most reliable LAN in the world. We also have the Mirrorcast. We support the 4K UHD display, and we also support very many fast storage. Okay, imagine that. What kind of acoustic the machine can have in the full speed? Only 28. Okay, and 23 dB in the idle. What about the low power mode? It consumes only 15 watts. That's the machine that is the best in the world. Okay, so after the two beautiful gaming box, now I'd like to introduce you our gaming notebook. Oh, I'm sorry. One page missing. Because people always ask me, are you supporting the Steam? Yes, those two machines support the Steam OS. And we are proud to announce to you that we will have the Steam PC in the future. Now I'm going to introduce the gaming notebook. The video. Okay, the 15-inch gaming notebook, only 19 millimeter high, and only 2.2 kilogram weight. In such a tiny space, we also give you the most powerful CPU, the Core i7, the most beautiful graphics, and also we have the 4K IPS display. And you will think about the thermal, right? The GX 500, we designed with dual fans cooling system. So you can play the games hours after hours. After the gaming box, the gaming notebook, what else do we miss? Yes. We have the board. We have the ROG motherboard we haven't talked about. The ROG is the only brand that was recognized by the global design, like the IF, like the Red Dot, like the good design. Okay, so those are the company recognize our brand, and we designed the board not just from the speed, but we also design from outside to inside. From outside, we think the color matters. So we spend lots of time and deliver the first dual color PCB ROG motherboard to you. How about the inside? Now I'd like to introduce the Maximum 7 formula motherboard. The inside, we have a new cooling system design. The cross-hill copper water flow channel that can really cool your system down. We have the most powerful armor to give you a perfect airflow and protections. We have wireless. We have M.2 connections. We also support a very fast speed like SATA Express. Also, we bundled with the most hot game title, Watch Dogs. Not from just big, but also we deliver the most powerful small ROG motherboard to you. Now I'd like to introduce the Maxima 7 Impact. The Max 7 Impact is so tiny, the mini ITX form factor. But you look at the power design. The upright, the very special power design deliver enough horsepower to run the Core i7. And also we have a unique PCI audio Supreme FX2 couple card. Also, we have the Wi-Fi AC on board. We have the M.2, which support many fast storage connections. So that's the really ideal motherboard for the most of the gaming builders. All those ROG Z97 motherboards are compatible with our OC panel and our front-based accessories. So you have everything together. Now, I'd like to invite